Yo, it's good, bro.
Yo,
what's your name?
Good, bro. Aryan.
David, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just walking back to my barber shop. I'm a barber.
Right.
I saw your hair, bro. You have a lot of hair. When was the last time you got a cut?
It's been like 3 months, not gonna lie.
3 months?
Yeah, my last barber kind of fucked my shit up.
Really? So you haven't gotten a haircut ever since?
I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just grow it out.
You're just gonna grow it out? I've been doing this stuff on TikTok, bro, just going up to random people, offering them a transformation for a free cut.
Okay.
You know, I'm literally across the street over here. I'm about to take off. You know, I got time for a free haircut. I can show you my work. If you like it, I mean, I can chop you up for free.
You know what? Let me see.
I got you.
Yeah.
That's before. This is the after right here.
Oh, shit.
Are you down to do it on the spot?
Free haircut? You know what? Fuck it, yeah.
You done?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. All right, man. So break down the whole haircut for me.
Dude, honestly, I just want to get the hair off my forehead. Other than that, like a little bit shorter on the sides, but honestly, just you're the professional, just do your thing.
Okay, so when I taper the side, it's gonna kind of square this out a little bit. I'll try my best to keep it as low as possible and keep the length here on the side. This is gonna open up your curtains though. Your forehead is gonna make you look a lot different, but it's gonna open up, basically your jawline is gonna be exposed. And the taper is gonna bring out your jawline a lot.
Okay.
You know, so I'll keep the back, but I'm still gonna keep some of the length in the back. You know, is that cool?
Yep, that's chill.
Let's get it, bro.
Let's run it.
Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna start the graduation. So we're gonna take it from here from the top. All of this excess hair, I'm gonna go in with my scissors. And just outline the C-cup area. Now we're gonna go and get another half a comb's width here on the side. Notice how I said half a comb? I just want to land it right here on top of the ear. So all this hair, let's comb all this hair down too. That's gonna be basically our taper area that we're working with. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pick up the hair. And how I view this, we're gonna go triangular. So meaning that the top is gonna be longer than the bottom. So we wanna cut it at an angle like this. Since we already cut this shorter, we don't have to worry about that. So this next guideline is gonna be a comb's width going from here, the temple, all the way to the back of the head. I'm gonna go here, attaching my comb here, about 1 inch. And I'm gonna drag it all the way down. Once it's there, I'm gonna put my thumb there. I'm gonna tap. You see how the hair just moved? But that's what I'm working with right there. I'm gonna pull this and keep this shape like this. All I have to do is grab the hair from the bottom. You guys can see, look. That's the guide right there. We just have to match it to that. Here on top of the ear, we don't want to cut it like this because we don't want this side to be shorter, right? So I'm gonna pull this to the side like this and just point cut. We want to keep these ends a little wispy. We already layered the back, so it'll be a lot easier for us to cut the back because it's already been cut. We just have to kind of match it with the graduation on the side. We're gonna take another comb's width, placing my comb here, dragging this all the way to the back. You guys see that? We're gonna tap this, tap it. That becomes what we cut. Right here, keeping the shape the same. You guys see, that's what we cut to. Now let's just keep repeating the same steps over and over again. We see this, I can already see the guideline right below. We wanna make sure we match it. When it gets above the ear, I'm gonna point cut. All right, we've graduated the sides, we've layered the back. Now we just have the front portion to worry about, which is our bangs. I'm just gonna move the hair like this, see where the curtains fall. I kind of like the bangs, bro, to maybe be like right here.
Okay.
What do you think? I want to keep them a little bit longer.
Okay.
Is that cool?
That's professional opinion.
I got you, bro. So for the bangs, I just like kind of pushing the hair forward, just seeing whatever it's gonna do. It's gonna part here at the center. So I kind of eyeball this step and I kind of see where it's gonna lay. So I want it to kind of curl up like this towards the back. It's a little too long for that. So I'm thinking probably like right here, point cut. I'm gonna start cutting a little bit more. A little bit more now. Now this side that's flapping over, I can connect it to what we graduated. So you guys can see, it's the bottom hair right there. So everything now flows together. So now I just have to layer the top, everything kind of flows nice. You see the difference between this side to this side. Now how am I gonna match this? I'm just gonna get the hairs from both sides. All right, so we see how cleanly this is blended now, the graduation into the side length and then to the layered back. Now we're gonna create a low taper. So I'm gonna go through my systematic steps. It's gonna be 2 fingers here. He has an extended sideburn area. Usually it would start about right there. So let's go ahead and remove that, just in case your client has sideburns. All right, so I'm gonna create my first guideline with my trimmer. Very soft, low taper here. My lever open now, using my saber clipper. I'm gonna go a finger's width on top. Just flicking up, flicking up. Now to erase this line that measures about a finger's width, we're gonna close our lever and hit the beginning of the line right here. Just using the left 2 corner parts of the blade. Go up a couple times before I put it in the middle. We're gonna hit the midway point of the line. Couple strokes. Then open it 3/4 until it's all the way open again. So usually here I would go in with a different step. I would go in with the 1 guard, but I want to flick out here in the corner with the 3, get rid of these hairs that are kind of flapping over. I'm going to use my comb. I'm going to open up the lever and just kind of glide, because the 3 guard is a perfect guard to use here on the side length anytime you're doing graduation. If you guys want to play it safe, you guys can do a 4 guard. You guys can see, kind of level things out for me. So now I can go in with my 1 guard lever open. We're gonna go a finger above. Flick out, flick out. Next, I'm gonna close the lever. And this was the beginning of the line with the lever open. Then we went up a finger again with the 1 guard lever open. So I'm gonna attack it right here at the beginning of the line, lever closed, gently flick up, go midway point, and then all the way open. This last step is using the 1/2 guard. I'm gonna close the lever and almost hit the end of the lever open. So you guys have to kind of keep a mental picture of where you guys set your guidelines. Then I'm gonna go up a little bit, and this is called lever play. So meaning that we're just kind of going with the flow. As we go higher, we open up the lever, we close it, we go more towards the beginning of the line. The next step is we're gonna scoop with our 2 guard lever open. So now we're working backwards from that 3 guard that we used to flick up. We're using our 2 guard to work backwards, and then I'm gonna use the 1.5. I'm gonna do the same thing using the 1.5. This is similar to the 1/2 guard, where we're kind of using lever play. And I went in closed, but now like as I go higher, I'm just kind of scooping up, only using like 2 teeth of the blade, going from open to close and seeing kind of what happens to the hair. before I go and start detailing. All right, to add the finishing touches, I like going in with this white pencil just to kind of outline and make this pop a little bit. This also allows me to really see any inconsistencies in my haircut. And I like applying this before I line up the C-cups. It'd be hard not to like it, brother. It's really nothing bad about it, to be honest.
Exactly. But I also can't see through my glasses.
We got the best product in the market. It's 4 curls, but it also works on wavy hair. So I'm gonna just apply 2 pumps. I added a little bit of water. It's a little dry from the back, so throw some water on it. Push it in the hair. I like grabbing either a 3 guard or a 4 guard and combing the hair back like this. That's good. Good branding from my boy.
Yeah, if it's like natural ingredients, I'm down to get it.
Yeah, bro, I got you. Doing the sourcing for the products and all that, bro, like, he took his time. What'd you think, bro?
Dude, I'll fuck with it, bro.
You ready?
So,
you ready for a new look?
I am, bro. All professional and shit. Summer.
Yeah, bro. What do you rate it? 1 to 10, be honest.
Solid 10.
Solid 10?
Deadass. I fucking love it. Deadass.
Bro, appreciate you so much, man.
All right, bro.
Thank you, man.
I'll catch you.
All right, peace, brother.
See you.